Manim is probably the coolest way to make simple, clean animations, and getting it set up is honestly easier than most people think. A viewer asked for this in the comments of one of my previous videos. So let's do it. Right from installing Python on your computer to having Manim animations running. There will be timestamps in this video, so you can jump directly to the part you need. First, you're gonna go to your browser and search Python and click the first link there. Then click on Downloads and choose the link that says Standalone Installer for Python. Once it is installed, open the .exe file. Here, you should check both the boxes and press Install Now. Then let it install. Once it is done, you can close it. The code editor I'll be using is VS Code, as it has pretty good support for Manim and Python in general. Next, you're gonna go back to your browser and search VS Code, then open the first link. Click Download for Windows and open the installer once it's downloaded. Here, accept the agreement and then keep pressing Next. I'm gonna create a desktop icon, but that's optional. Finally, hit Install and let it install. Once it's done and you open it, you should see an interface like this. Now, before doing anything in here, create a folder where you'd like to save all your files related to Manim. I'm just gonna make one on the desktop. Once you have made it, open VS Code again, click on Open Folder, locate your folder and select it. You will see your folder on the left hand side. Here, click on the New File icon and name the file main.py. When you do this, VS Code will show a pop-up to install an extension, and that's exactly what we'll do. Go to the Extensions tab on the left and search Python, and install the first one. You'll know if it's done when you see all these installed in your Installed section. You can close the Extensions tab and open your file again. Now, press Ctrl-Shift-P on your keyboard and type Create Environment, select it, select Venv, and choose the Python version you'd installed. This will create a virtual environment in which you'll install Manim. Now press Ctrl+tilde, the key beside 1 on your keyboard, to open the terminal. You should see this .venv written here. Inside this terminal, type in the command python-m pip install manim, or you can just copy it from the pinned comment. This should start downloading Manim, which will take some time. And after this is installed, you are now ready to run your Manim animations. For demonstration, I'll just copy this code from the Manim docs, which are the best way to learn about Manim. After you have pasted the code, open the terminal and type this command. Here, Manim is just the name of the command. -ql decides the quality, ql being low quality. I'm gonna change it to -qh for high quality. -p makes it play the animation immediately. Main.py is the name of the file, and create scene is the name of the scene, which is optional. Now, when I enter this command, it will play the animation. Or at least it would if I save the file first. And now when I enter the command, it will run the animation. Let me just add some delay at the end. You can see the animation playing better now. If you want to save this animation, you need to open the folder in which you made your file. Here, you'll see a new folder named Media. Open it, go to Videos, Main, and here you'll see the folder named 1080p60. This is the resolution and FPS you get with the -qh flag. Open it and you'll see your animation as a video. If I were to run the command with -ql, you'll see another folder named 480p15, and that will be the resolution and FPS of the video in it. For those of you who are still watching till here, I have a little bonus for you. Go to the Extensions tab and search up Manim Sideview and install it. This is a really handy extension which lets you play the animation inside VS Code itself without having to type the command every time. When it gets installed, you'll see this button on the top right. Press it, choose the scene and it will render the animation inside VS Code itself, inside this little window, which is super convenient. Another cool thing it does is, let's say you make some changes to the code. When you save the file with Ctrl S, it will automatically run the animation in the window. And that's everything you need to get Manim running. If you run into any issues, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.